Two insurance giants trusted by millions, but when you need the most protection for your ride, which one really delivers? On the left, the established, community-focused Farmers Insurance. And on the right, the nationwide powerhouse MetLife Auto. Let's skip the hype and get straight to what matters. We'll pit them head-to-head in crucial categories and tally the points so you know exactly who comes out on top. The winner might just surprise you. Here's a quick mind map of what we're comparing today: pricing, coverage options, customer service, claims process, and digital experience. Like, these are the biggies most people care about when picking their insurance. Let's kick it off with price. Farmers does have some nice multi-policy discounts and they treat loyal customers pretty well. But yeah, there's a but. Usually their rates are a bit steeper, especially if you're a younger driver. Now, MetLife Auto, honestly, they've got seriously competitive rates, especially if your job or group offers them. The only thing is, pricing can jump around depending on where you live. Still, if we're calling a winner for your wallet, MetLife's got the edge here. Alright, coverage options. Farmers has a pretty broad selection. You can get rideshare, new car replacement, and make your policy your own. Downside, maybe not as many tiny add-ons as some big national brands. MetLife, though, shows off with things like gap coverage, rentals, custom parts, and really cool group or employer perks. Only hitch, some of that good stuff is tied to having an employer plan. Both are solid, so honestly, it's a tie in this department. Next up, customer service. Farmers really leans into that whole local agent thing, which is awesome if you like having someone you can literally call or meet. Claims satisfaction, pretty high too. It can depend on which agent you get, but most people seem happy. MetLife swings more digital. You've got online claims and manage everything yourself websites. But yeah, their satisfaction scores have been a little shaky, and sometimes you just won't get that local face-to-face help. So, easy win for Farmers here. Oh, and here's something cool I found. Did you know MetLife wrote its first auto policy in 1972, while Farmers has been at this since 1928? That's almost 45 years between their first car customers. Moving on to the claims process. With Farmers, you get a quick response if you go through your local agent, and people usually walk away happy. The only hiccup is, paperwork can occasionally slow things down. MetLife, on the other hand, is all about that mobile claims experience. Super easy and quick for some policies, but not every policy can use it, and reviews are kind of mixed. Farmers definitely takes this category. Let's finish with digital experience. Farmers' website and app are decent for sure, but a lot of stuff, getting a quote, changing things, still means texting or calling your agent. MetLife goes big with digital. Their mobile claim tools, digital ID cards, and policy changes are a breeze online. Fewer offices nearby, yeah, but if you love doing things from your phone, MetLife totally wins this one. If you're someone who loves charts and visuals, here's how Farmers and MetLife stack up across all categories. There are some clear strengths and weak spots depending on what you care about most. So here's my take. If you want that old school, super personal service and love the idea of a local agent rooting for you, Farmers totally shines. But if price and being able to handle everything online are top of your list, and especially if you can snag a group plan, MetLife is a seriously strong pick. If you found this helpful, don't forget to follow for more deep dives and matchups on everything insurance. I'll help you make sense of all the choices, one comparison at a time.